not here on this earth for our own personal agenda. Laging tatandaan nyo, kung ayaw mong masayang ang panahon mo sa buhay, tiyakin mo that you do what God wants you to do. Obey Him. Tanungin nyo yung katabi nyo, ikaw, sigurado ka ba na yung ginagawa mo at pinagugugulan mo ng buhay ayon sa palatuntunan ng Diyos? Sabi ng Diyos, scatter, tapos pilit mo na magsama-sama? You may be doing your best, but you are wasting your time. Nagkakaintindihan? Ano sabi ng Diyos? Sabi ng Lord, tingnan nyo sa Ephesians, therefore, be careful how you walk, not as unwise men, but as wise. Paano ba matalino? Paano ba maging matalino? Sabi niya, making the most of your time because the days are evil. Yan na, paano mo daw magagamit ng eksakto yung oras mo? Pag-isipan niyo mabuti. Sabihin, gusto mong maging matalino? Make most of your time. Yung bang yung oras na binigay sa'yo ng Diyos, tayong lahat, yung panahon na yan, kaunti lang yan. Hindi yan marami. Ang tanong, gugulin mo ng tama. Nasusundan po. It has nothing to do with the length of time. Jesus Christ lived only for about 33 years. And yet, He was able to finish the work God has entrusted Him to do. Naintindihan po? At maraming tao, they have lived for 90. But they are not even sure if they did what God requires of them. Kaya sabi ng Lord, that's foolishness. Kaya sabi ng Lord, so do not be foolish, but understand what the will of the Lord is. Nagkakaintindihan po?